I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the 3-in-1 video, friends, which I'll try to include the initial setup process and how much RAM and storage is available and how many pre-installed applications can be found in the Poco M3 Pro 5G, as you can see, friends. So this is a M3 Pro 5G which I'm booting up for the first time, and let's start with the first step, which is in setup process. Let's see what is the setup process includes in this phone, and then I'll try to show you what is the free RAM and storage out of the box, how much we are getting in this 4GB RAM variant, which I did order right now. And third is what are the pre-installed applications which came along with the phone. That is what I'll try to concentrate, and I'll try to do plenty of comparison with the Snapdragon 732G which is present in the Poco X3 mobile phone. Mainly a lot of users are really confused whether to choose the Poco M3 Pro or to choose the Poco X3. That is the reason. So right now, as you can see, friends, MIUI 12, that's kind of shocking because I did expect MIUI 12.5, but that's not the case here. You did get only MIUI 12. You can select the language as well, English. Let me try to go back, and India, yes. And I'll try to do even comparison with the Snapdragon 768G as well, IQ Z3, which I got right now. I can do that kind of comparisons in case if you're interested. Even I do have the Snapdragon 800U as well. Sorry, Dimensity 800U. My bad. So it's present in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro, which I do have right now. I can even compare with the Realme Narzo 30 Pro as well in case if you're interested. So make sure to comment below, friends, with which phones you want me to compare mostly. And I'm trying to skip everything. Let me try to skip. I don't like this glance of no thanks. Yep. And yes, so this is a usual setup process I will try to do every time when I buy the Poco or MI mobile phone. So overall the design and complete looks kind of good in this phone. I'll try to make another video, friends, so make sure to stay tuned for that video in case if you are interested more details. And mainly I'll try to compare even the display comparison between this phone IPS LCD versus Poco X3's IPS LCD and even the IQ Z3's IPS LCD. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos, which will be really interesting. So this is the reason I thought of doing 3-in-1 video in one single video, so which will be kind of really helpful for a lot of users. So instead of making 3 videos, so I thought of including in one single video only. So right now it's kind of just loading up, as you can see, friends. So this is a blue variant which I did order. So I thought of ordering the yellow color, but I did not get. So I just, for the review purpose, I did order the blue color. So I wish I could have the yellow color, so which should be really attractive, the main color, yellow color. So still this loading apps is taking a lot of time. So let's see, friends, how many pre-installed applications will be there in this Poco M3 as well. That is another thing which I thought of testing. Let me try to remove this kind of sticker, so which I don't like keeping this sticker as well. So let me try to remove the sticker because for the long time this will definitely impact the color of the skin as well. I'm trying to keep the sticker there, as you can see. And still it's loading the apps, and the battery percentage we got about 60% out of the box. So even I'll be able to test the battery percentage as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to know. So right now it's still loading. It took about 2 minutes of time. Loading. We are seeing constantly in this Poco M3 device right now. Now it looks really good in terms of the color, blue color reflection. I'll try to do the outdoor visibility as well under the direct sunlight. Then we'll be able to know with the design and everything. So still it's loading up and loading up. I'm not sure how many apps got pre-installed in this phone. I'm very curious to see. So let's see, friends, how much more time the Poco M3 Pro gonna take to load. So it's done finally, as you can see, friends, it's done. And let me try to quickly show you the brightness automatically decreased to lowest brightness. I think now it increased. There must be some kind of 360 degrees ambient light sensor, I think so. Let me try to quickly show the what version I'm trying to run. So this is a MIUI 12.0.2, as you can see out of the box. So this is a MIUI version I'm running. I did expect the MIUI 12.5, but that's really strange. I'm not sure why they did not include the MIUI 12.5. That could have been really great. And Android version is of 11, as you can see. Android version is 11. And the vibration is quite good. I can feel the vibrations as well, haptic feedback. That's really good. I'll try to do another review on the haptic feedbacks which I got right now experienced. And all specifications include the 4GB RAM variant, which I did order in the 64GB RAM variant, 64GB internal storage as well. Let me try to show you the details of the storage, how much the storage is actually. Sort of 64GB, now we got about 15GB already occupied. So now, as you can see, friends, so 11GB for the system it used, and 896 MB for the apps and data, and 2.83GB for others, as you can see clearly. These are the quick details. Let me try to go back and show you what are the applications got pre-installed, and we can see the Facebook, Netflix and Amazon Duo, I think. So Duo should be kind of okay, and third party applications, I think Amazon Prime. So Amazon Prime, Netflix, and Amazon application, and there is no Flipkart application. That's so weird because I did order this phone from the Flipkart and I did not see the Flipkart application installed, but instead of Flipkart, the Amazon application is installed. So same thing has happened previously, friends. If you remember, even with the IQ7, I think so, IQ7, when I did the unboxing to check the pre-installed application, I did find the Flipkart application installed, not the Amazon. So this phone I did order from the Amazon, but I did not expect this kind of things. I'm not sure why it's happening, vice versa. So now let's see how much is the RAM available out of the 4 GB RAM. That is what I'm trying to say. I did try to close everything. As you can see, friends, out of 4 GB, 2 GB of RAM is right now available. You can clearly see, friends. So 2 GB of 4 GB is available at this point. I did expect the phone to get launched with directly with the base variant of 6 GB RAM variant for 13,499. That would be really great. I'm not sure why they included the 4 GB version as well. So they could have gone only with the 6 GB itself, 6 GB and 8 GB. That could be really a value for the money, little bit kind of thing. And another one more thing is that I did feel slightly slow because of the refresh rate is set to the 60 Hz, not the 90 Hz. So now I can actually feel slightly smoother and faster as well in terms of the animation. I'll try to do a separate video as well, friends, in terms of the display and all the details, which I am definitely interested to test this phone, particularly the Poco M3 device, because my favorite phone was the Poco X3. So Poco X3 is my favorite phone for all time, which is from the Poco. So a similar kind of experience I'm trying to get. Maybe let's see whether this Poco M3 Pro can also be kind of pro version or not, is what I'll try to test. And mainly I'll try to even focus on the camera part as well, in case if you're interested to know. So let's see, friends, what kind of applications are taking how much of memory. So that is what I'm trying to see. So Amazon occupied the 100. Sorry for that, friends, I just got a call, and it is a quick review on this app sizes, what application is using, how much kind of size, as you can see, friends. So if you want, even you can uninstall this application. It should not be kind of problem. As you can see, friends, you can quickly uninstall the Amazon application in case if you want. As you can see, even the Amazon Prime as well, you can uninstall. So basically you can uninstall applications in case if you don't like. Even the keyboard from Xiaomi, I don't think you can uninstall. So my remote, you can uninstall this app, and even the Facebook application also you can uninstall, as you can see, friends. So these are the quick review about this device, and make sure to comment below, friends, what are the comparison you want me to do in the next future. So definitely I'll try to do plenty of reviews on this Poco M3 Pro as well. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.